Previously, we discussed how the family of neural network algorithms serves as a unifying framework for evolutionary theory. If genes are viewed as a repository of knowledge, then neural network algorithms represent the mechanisms for rewriting and accumulating that knowledge. Theoretical flaws in Darwinian evolution. 1. Natural selection. In algorithms for constructing society, organizations, and also for lives. It has been argued that ReLU rectified linear unit serves as a mathematical abstraction of the concept of selection. 2. Unknown mechanism of heredity. This was a limitation of Darwin's era. Neural network algorithms, being intelligent systems capable of rewriting and accumulating knowledge, offer a new framework, the intelligent rewriting and accumulation of genetic information, i.e., DNA. 3. Insufficient explanatory power of random mutation. Darwinian theory does not clearly distinguish between beneficial, neutral, and deleterious mutations in terms of frequency and causation. In simulated algorithms for lives, mutation is interpreted not as purely random, but as guided by intelligent rewriting processes inherent in neural networks. The degree of randomness is inversely related to intelligence. Greater intelligence leads to more deterministic changes, and lower intelligence to more randomness. 4. Gradualism versus saltation and punctuated equilibria. Events, such as the Cambrian explosion, reflect rapid bursts of speciation. Neural network algorithms can produce both incremental and substantial innovations. Some changes are minor, others transformative. This accounts for both gradual evolution and sudden leaps. These patterns manifest as neutral drift, punctuated equilibrium, or rapid genetic drift in small populations. 5. Difficulty in explaining the origin of complex organs. Neural network algorithms, distributed across every cell and capable of collective cooperation, could through billions of years of evolution incrementally give rise to complex structures like the eye, whether by accident, effort, or environmental pressure. 6. Transition from unicellularity to multicellularity. The intelligence of a single cell is limited, whereas larger, well-structured networks exhibit superior cognitive capacity, potentially explaining the emergence of multicellular life. 7. Challenges in explaining group selection and altruism, such as sterile worker bees, contradict the individual-centric reproductive success model in algorithms for constructing society organizations and also for lives. It is proposed that both individuals and groups are organized according to the structure of neural network algorithms, with hierarchical nested organization. Intelligent systems make decisions that consider both individual and collective welfare. 8. Directionality and complexity in evolution. Although Darwin's model is directionless, evolution exhibits a trend toward increased complexity and intelligence. This directionality aligns with the optimization of neural network organization structures. 9. Speciation and reproductive isolation. As each individual faces a distinct environment, evolutionary pressures diverge. Over time, this results in reproductive isolation and the emergence of distinct species. 10. Atavisms, e.g. human babies born with tails. This suggests that some genetic information is not entirely lost. Complex inheritance is affected by environmental evaluation, genetic intelligence, and occasionally by errors in the neural network-like mechanisms governing genetic processing. 11. Inheritance of acquired traits. Experimental evidence of acquired traits being passed on challenges Darwin's irreversibility of evolution. According to simulated algorithms for lives, neural network algorithms dominate evolutionary dynamics. DNA is one form of stored knowledge, and other information such as neural parameters also contributes to inheritance. Horizontal gene transfer. Gene transfer among bacteria via plasmids enables rapid spread of advantageous traits like antibiotic resistance, defying Darwinian gradualism. Microbes and cells, possessing basic intelligence and communication channels, may engage in socially accepted large-scale information exchange when beneficial. 13. Cooperation and mutualism. Darwin emphasized competition, yet cooperation, for example, mycorrhizal networks. Gut microbiota is ubiquitous. Intelligent systems adopt cooperation when it enhances fitness, analogous to using others as tools or collaborators. 14. Biological rhythms and chronobiology. Darwinian selection struggles to explain the development of synchronized biological clocks. For intelligent agents, adapting to time-structured environments is a natural consequence. 15. Evolutionary stasis and reversal. Some species exhibit long-term stability or reverse evolution. Environmental factors, light, temperature, energy availability, food sources, reproductive patterns all influence how individuals interpret what is beneficial. These subjective interpretations, modeled through neural networks, may cause stasis or reversals. 2. Theoretical flaws in Lamarckian evolution. Point 1. Use and disuse. Most traits enhanced through use are advantageous, making it rational for intelligent agents to evolve in those directions, leading to the so-called inheritance of acquired traits. 2. Degeneration through disuse. Traits that are not utilized and provide no immediate benefit are gradually diminished, especially under energy or resource constraints. However, some obsolete traits may later become advantageous. Again, there are no permanent allies, only enduring interests. 3. Self-perfecting nature of life. This is a misconception. Evolution is not about perfection, but about adaptive advantage. Different individuals face different environments and thus evolve in divergent directions. Over time, this results in reproductive isolation and speciation. 4. Direct interaction with the environment. Unlike Darwin's passive selection, Lamarck emphasized active environmental shaping of traits. This resonates with modern neural network algorithms incorporate both active and passive components. They can proactively pursue advantageous changes, but are also shaped by broader structures and environments. 3. The bounded adaptability of organisms. Neither Darwin nor Lamarck address the limits of individual or collective adaptability. Neural network algorithms can only be updated within bounded domains, otherwise, training fails, leading to extinction. This is why machine learning employs constraints like L1, L2 regularization, KL divergence, Lipschitz continuity, or gradient clipping to avoid collapse. Sometimes, treating illness involves medication that damages healthy cells while eliminating harmful pathogens, a process reminiscent of dropout. When you're functioning while fatigued or symptomatic, it mirrors overfitting. The system is performing, but suboptimally due to excessive strain on certain pathways.